Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video I'll be showing you how to get the new neon filter on TikTok. But first you'll need to go into Snapchat. Then you're going to click on the smiley face right beside the circle there. And as you can see here, I already have the filter. But for you to get it now, you're going to simply click on Explore in the bottom right hand corner. Then in the search bar you're going to type in neon line. And then you're going to select the one that says neon lines and have Snapchat below it. That would be the one at the top right there. Then you'll simply record your video that you want to upload to TikTok. Then after you have recorded the video, you'll simply click on save and save it. And then you're going to close out of it and then select the two cards right beside the circle and go on memories. Then you'll search for the video that you just recorded and then click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then simply select export snap. After you have selected export snap, you can simply select save video and it will save the video to your gallery. Now after your video have been saved, you'll close out of Snapchat overall and then go into TikTok. And then after TikTok have loaded up, you'll press the plus right on the bottom of the screen right there. And then you'll select gallery. And then from gallery you'll find the video that you just recorded. And then after you've selected the video, simply press next. Then you can see the video right there. Then you'll press next again. Then in the bottom left hand corner you'll see sounds. You can select sound and select a sound that you like to add to the video. And then you'll post the video, and that's it.